Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Got a good look to it with blackout wheels and being black. Nice shape. You can see maybe a few little chips that have been touched up here, but is in nice shape. Got good tread on the tires. For a black vehicle, it's really nice shape. You don't see many scratches. Got the floor mats, 66,675. There's kind of the cool screen of the Bronco. 2 keys. Whoops. Of course, 4-wheel, all-wheel drive. Interior's really nice shape. He's kind of got a cool look to him. Kind of like the little bit of the retro look to him. Backup camera. You can open the glass or the door. There's your front mats if you want cloth ones in it. But nice and straight, not a lot of scratches, doesn't have any dings or dents. So nice and clean and got a really good look to it. So also has our 7-year, 112,000 mile bumper to bumper type coverage, which means everything's covered except for cosmetics or wear items. $100 deductible for 7 years from when it went into production to the odometer, 112,000 miles. Nobody's giving anybody warranty like that. They want to sell it to you, we're just including it. So make the process nice and easy. So any questions, 605-692-7010.